Here we have a table that we set up in our last lesson, and it's pretty ugly. It's got the data in it, but it's pretty ugly. Let's see what we can do to make it look better. Here's our source HTML, and I've set it up to link to a style sheet called tables.css, and I have that over here. It doesn't have anything really in it yet. First of all, let's make the font Helvetica. And let's give it a reasonable size. For tabular data, it doesn't have to be large, so let's make it 10 points. And see what that looks like. There we go. Let's see, the first thing we can do is we can get to work on this caption. So the caption, we need to move it out of the way. So we can do that with the caption tag. So we create a selector for the caption tag. And the property is height. So it'll give a height to the bounding box of the caption. Make it say 30 points. And come over here, and there we have a little space there. That might be too much space. Let's call it 25 points. Okay, and we can make it bold. So that's font weight, bold, and that ought to just about do it for the caption. Now we have a reasonable caption. Now these are in the TH cells, and bold is okay, but I'd like them aligned left. So for TH, so we do all this in the style sheet. It makes it a lot easier to control. We can text align left, and that'll bring them over to the left like that. And let's see here. These I think are still a little bit large. Let's make them a little smaller. Those are in the TD. We can say font size maybe 10 pixels instead of 10 points and see what that looks like. I think 10 pixels is pretty much a minimum. That's pretty good. And here's something annoying that HTML does. Table cells always vertically align to the middle. We can make them vertically aligned to the top instead. And that makes them do that. It makes it a little bit easier. And finally, I'd like to make every other row have a gray background so that it's easier to distinguish between the rows. And so the easy way to do that is to create a class selector called gray and apply it to every other row. And I happen to know that CCCCCC is a reasonable gray. And then come over here into our table, and in every other row, oh, I already put it in here, didn't I? Every other row we have the class gray. And we come over here and reload, and now every other row is in the class gray. That's pretty reasonable looking. There's a lot of other things we can do. We could put borders on it, we could change colors, but in general, that's the sort of thing you can do to simply make a table of data readable.